Welcome back to my channel. Today what I'm hopefully going to do is do a DIY pillow. What the plan is, and I want to change it up a little bit, is I'm taking a fabric, it's actually a, not tablecloth, what is it? A placemat. Okay, I have a fabric placemat I bought last after Christmas sale from Dollar General. So it was originally $2. Yeah, from Dollar General. So originally $2, but I got it for 80% off, I'm sure. So I only got it for like a couple of cents, pretty much. And then I've got a package of cotton balls, and I think I might maybe need 2 packages, so I do have 2 just in case. Have my scissors, and then I also have some of this like permanent glue, not permanent glue, super glue, yeah, super glue. I'm gonna try this. Now, typically in the past for DIYs, I've used hot glue, which is a good idea, but the hot glue tends to like not last forever. So we'll see if this will help last forever. Now, the goal is you're supposed to take this, cut where the fabric is right here, stuff the cotton balls in it, and then glue it back, and you have a really pretty pillow to go on your couch. So that is gonna be my goal. I do have 2 of them, so hopefully I want to do that. I am concerned that this fabric is a little bit too loose here in the back, then I'm afraid it might tear. So plus I have 2 of them. I'd like to make 2 pillows, but if it doesn't work out, then what I could do is glue them together, and then I would have just a double-sided pillow. So that's kind of my plan. So come along with me as we try to make this work. And let's see how long it takes me, because it shouldn't take long. So it is 8:17 right now, so let's see how we do. I'm gonna finish the vlog here, but like it's not 100% done, because if you see, I used 2 bags of cotton balls and it's still not full. So if I kind of push it down, you can kind of get an idea. So I'm gonna have to go buy some more. But if I push it down like this, this is kind of how the back will look. Kind of see it. It's still kind of like lumpy and stuff, but that's okay. And I'm sure it can work out a little bit over time. But the front is going to look super cute. You can kind of see it like from that. It's going to look super cute. Now, would I then, so then the cutting the edge was actually fine. And so I'm just gonna use the super glue here and I will attach it, but I'm waiting to attach some more after I put some more cotton balls in it. So would I do this again? Maybe, but like, so it's gonna end up being, that was $2 worth of cotton balls, about $1 of this, and you got super glue. So if I buy 2 more packages of cotton balls, you're looking at almost like a $5 pillow. At the end of the day, you could almost buy a pillow for that. I mean, not as cute as this print though. I mean, come on. But so, I mean, it could work. If you have an old pillow that you just want to take the stuffing out of, it would definitely probably be better, because then that way you wouldn't just be spending so much in cotton balls. So, and it doesn't really make it super, super fluffy. So, but since the front of this is burlap anyways, you won't be able to tell. So I'll finish this up and I'll show you the finished product during the Christmas decor tour that should be coming up really soon. So thank you so much for watching. God bless, be adventurous, and I'll see you next time. And comment down below, what is your favorite Christmas DIY? See you next time. Bye.